Hello, everyone. Good evening. Hello, Sis Zahira. Hello, Bro Fadli.
Evening.
Good evening,
Hello, good
Sis.
evening, Miss.
Okay, there's still
Evening.
22 of you, yeah? Good evening, Bro Rio. Okay, while we wait for others, let me ask a few questions, everyone. Just for the opening, okay? Maybe Bro Soleh Al Hussein. How are you today, bro? Good evening.
I'm good
Oh,
because I'm still at home
oh, that's
and full day.
okay. So, how was your day, bro? Is it a good day or a bad day?
So far, good day. I'm
So far,
happy, beautiful.
okay, very good. Thank you, bro Soleh. So far, so good. A beautiful day, yeah? What about others? Let me ask. I think sis Zahira. How are you today, sis Zahira? Sis Zahira? Yes, sis. How are you today? Hmm. I can't hear your voices. Maybe there's something wrong, sis, with maybe with your volume, maybe with your device.
Oh,
Ah, finally, yes, sis. How are you today, sis?
I'm in a little bad day.
Oh, what happened, sis?
My mom is so angry.
Oh my God. So you fight with your mom, sis.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, I hope you can get better with your relationship with your mother, sis Zahira. Okay, so I guess you're not feeling very well, yeah? Thank you, sis. What about others? Maybe Bro Fadli. How are you today, Bro Fadli? Yeah, Bro Fadli. Okay, maybe still unable. What about Bro Rama Yanuar? How are you, Bro Rama?
Hello, sis.
Hello.
I'm good. I still work today.
Oh, as usual, bro.
Yes, in
Okay.
Jakarta it's rainy today.
Oh, perfect weather to sleep, bro.
Yes, but I'm still work. I'm very tired right now.
Okay, break a leg, Bro Rama. You can do it, bro.
How about you, sis? You good?
Oh, so far so good, bro, because I'm free. I'm at home all day. So I feel pretty good.
Okay.
Thank you, Bro Rama. Well done. Oke. Ada idiom ya, Francis. I use an idiom just then. Break a leg, nih. Break a leg itu artinya bukan patahkan kakimu ya, tapi kalau di bahasa Inggris artinya semangat. Ini namanya idiom atau peribahasa ya. Oke. Next, tadi ada Bro Rama. What about? I guess I wanna ask Sis Wulandari. How are you today, sis?
Hello.
Hello.
It's pretty
Good.
good actually.
Oh, that's nice.
Uh,
Okay, how was your day, sis?
it's going well.
So far, so good, okay?
Yeah.
All
I have
right.
many job today.
Oh, that's nice, sis. Being busy is
Mhm.
good.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, thank you, sis Wulandari. Well done.
Thank you for
You're
asking
welcome. All
me.
right. What about, I guess I want to ask from bro again, yeah? Okay, bro Ahmash, how are you today, bro?
Mm, I'm tired
One more time, bro.
because
Can you
I'm
repeat
tired
from?
today
Oh, you're tired. Oh, what happened, bro?
because many activities.
Oh, so you're busy today?
Hello.
Yes? Busy today, bro?
Banyak
Sibuk
activities.
hari ini?
Yes, I am busy.
Okay. All right then. So maybe is it a good day or a bad day, bro, for being busy?
All day, good day.
All day, good day. Good job. Thank you, bro Ahmash. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Nice. What about, I guess, Bro Rio Wijaya. How are you today, bro?
I am fine, sis.
Okay, you're fine then. How was your day, bro?
I am good day, sis.
Okay, you have a good day.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Bro Rio. Well done.
Welcome, sis.
Okay. All right, one more I want to ask the sis, yeah? Sis Siti Kurnianingsi, how are you today?
I am tired today
Oh, you're tired. What happened, sis?
because my finish camping at school.
Oh my God. Oh, so you must be really tired, sis. So, how was your day, sis? How's your day?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, so far so good.
And
Okay.
for
What
you, Miss?
Oh, for me, so far so good, sis. I feel very well today because I'm at home all day, sis. Okay. Thank you, sis Siti. Great. All right,
Yes.
Francis. Okay, because tumben nih kita only 37 people here ya. Okay, then before I share my screen, I would like to mute all of you ya, just to make the situation conducive, okay? Now let me share my screen everyone. Today we're on day 15. Kita di hari ke-15 and our material would be about making suggestion. Memberikan saran ya. Nah, memberikan saran ini identik dengan yang namanya modal verb. Modal verb meliputi seperti kata-kata must, could, should, would. Nah, itu ya, selalu berhubungan. Next, for today's goal, we are able to understand how to make suggestion and how to give well solutions, and we're going to learn some useful model auxiliaries. Memahami bagaimana membuat saran dan memberikan solusi yang baik. Dan juga kita akan mempelajari modal auxiliaries yang pasti sangat berguna ya, apalagi di bahasa Inggris. We always use model when speaking. Okay, next night we have chit-chat topics first ya, Francis. I have actually 3 questions for today. The first one is, what is the problem for you? Nah ini maybe you can share problem yang membuat Bro Ansi sangat resah itu gimana? Tentang apa? Maybe with your career, maybe your love life, or maybe your financial situation. You can share ya. Okay. Anyone who wants to answer, you can always raise your hand so I can choose you ya. Okay. Number 1, I want to assist Aisha first. Sis Aisha, what is the problem for you, sis?
My problem is ketika itu apa, Miss?
When?
My problem is when I Bentar, Miss, bentar.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. You can menyusun dulu ya. You can arrange your words. What about Sis Triniswati Utami? What is the problem for you, sis?
Okay, thank you, Miss, for asking me.
Yeah.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, sis.
I think my problem is for me a big problem about my son or my daughter.
Oh,
If
yeah.
she not concerned about his about their study.
Okay.
Because every time for scrolling social media maybe so
Yes.
I think it's apa ya, meresahkan
Very
gitu.
concerning, sis. Okay. Meresahkan, you can say concerning.
Concerning. Okay.
Okay.
Concerning.
Meresahkan. All right. How old is your children, Sistri?
I have 4 children, 2
Oh.
son and 2 daughter, but one son and 1 daughter is passed away in 2019.
Rest in
Okay.
peace, sis.
Mhm.
What about your 2 other children, sis? Are they still in
Yes.
high school?
they are college, but last semester in master program and bachelor degree.
Oh my God. So they're really smart, sis.
But I
Of
think,
course. All right, I hope you can somehow make your children realize this, yeah?
okay, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Thank you, Sistri, for sharing. Okay, oh, we have Kaseto nih. Kaseto, what is the problem for you?
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
You're welcome.
My problem is my partner in the workplace
Oh yeah, what happened, bro?
because he want to keep an problem without give me know what happened. So
Oh, so you
seperti
are
kayak
clueless, bro.
ya kayak menjebak saya gitu apa itu?
Penyebab?
Iya,
Oke, you can say itu mengefekkan ke bro ke Kaseto kah?
iya. Jadi
It affect me. It's
dia
affect
tanya it
me.
affect me, ya. It affect me. Jadi semuanya pada nanya ke saya, padahal dia yang tahu.
Oh ya, oke. But you are clueless, bro. Tapi nggak tahu apa-apa, bro.
Iya, makanya itu.
Ah, I see. Oke, so that's really concerning ya, bro. Meresahkan nih.
Iya.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Bro Seta, for sharing. Nice. Of course, workplace always has problem, yeah, Francis. All right. What about Sis Reina? What is the problem for you, sis?
All right, thank you, sis.
Mhm.
The problem of myself is I think I really love to do something good. Like as you mentioned before that busy is good.
Mhm.
Busy is a good thing. And my mind is like it too. And when I have a lot of free time, I got like a frustrating, like a frustrated
Ah,
because I really love to do something, especially good for me in the future, my prospect career. Now it is a quiet be a problem for me because at the same time I lack to aware health, about my health.
ah. Oh, okay. So you're not used to stay idle, sis. Nggak biasa kayak diem aja gitu, sis.
Yes.
Okay. So you need to always do something, sis. Okay, that could be a problem, sis, yeah, because human needs rest, sis Reina.
Um,
It's okay, sis. Maybe you just need to take it step by step to rest, yeah? Okay, thank you, sis Reina, for sharing.
Yeah, welcome,
That's
sis.
all right. What about maybe sis Hana Puji? What is the problem for you?
Thank you, Miss.
Hmm?
I think my problem now is waiting for job call
Hmm.
because next year I will get married.
Congratulations, sis Hana.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Oh my God. You're still waiting for a job call?
Yes.
Okay, I hope you are the best, sis, yeah? I hope you can get a job
Amen.
maybe tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you,
You're
Miss.
welcome. Okay. Maybe one more, sis Aida. What is the problem for you?
Hello, Miss.
Hello, sis.
My problem is my husband.
Oh, what happened, sis?
My husband since at 21 years old, 21 years.
Hmm?
When he was young until now.
Oh, what is his sicknesses, if you don't mind me asking?
She the heart.
Oh, heart disease?
Yes.
Oh my God, but is he better now, sis Aida?
Now it's better.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
God, sis.
I
Okay.
always get him to hospital for control to his doctor.
Yeah, of course, it's because health is the most important, sis.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sis Aida.
Welcome.
Okay, that reminds me, yeah, my grandmother had a heart disease, but she didn't survive and she died, Princess. Okay, let's go to the second question, everyone. Tadi kan problem biasa ya. Now, what was the biggest problem you had in life? Seperti itu. Apa ya berarti biggest problem? Maybe what what caused you to maybe you got you depressed or something else? I think I want to ask yang belum. Maybe let me hear from. Wait, somebody raises their hands. Oh, Bro Ahmash. Bro Ahmash, what was the biggest problem you had in life?
My biggest problem in my life is when I junior high school.
Hmm?
I get math homework
Oh yeah. What happened, bro, with that?
because I don't smart with math.
Oh, I see. Oh, you have a hard time doing math homework, bro.
Yes,
Kesusahan
and
mengerjakan PR matematika ya.
yes,
Ah,
and I like social object.
study. I see. Oke, anak IPS ya, Bro Ahmad.
Yeah.
Okay, we're the same, bro. Thank you for sharing your answer, Bro Ahmad. Nice one.
Thank you.
Okay, math is always a little hard for me, Francis, yeah, because I prefer learning something. I like reading more than doing calculating, yeah. Okay, maybe since no one raises their hand again, let's go to the last question nih. How did you overcome the problem? Overcome itu, how do you say it ya? Menghilangkan, melampaui. Wait, how do we say it ya, Francis? Do you know what is the meaning? Seperti melampaui masalahnya nih, menyelesaikan gitu aja, menyelesaikan masalahnya. Nah, bagaimana caranya Bro and Sis mengatasi? Yes, thank you everyone. Oh my God. Somehow my Indonesian is getting worse ya. Menuntaskan, mengatasi. Okay, so please share to us how do you overcome your problem? Maybe I want to ask. Yang belum raise hand, I want to choose ya. Maybe Bro Ovan. How did you overcome your problem, Bro Ovan?
Yes, yes.
Yes. How do you overcome your problem, bro?
I'm sorry, sis. I'm late to join
Oh.
class.
It's okay, Bro Ovan. Okay, since you're late, you can listen first ya, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Next then, since Bro Ovan just arrived, maybe I want to ask, maybe Sis Wulandari, how do you overcome your problem, sis? Sis Wulandari, are you there? Okay, maybe she's not here because I don't see her, yeah. What about Sis Ambarwati? Sis Ambarwati, how did you overcome your problem, sis?
I'm not ready, sis.
Oh,
I'm
you're not ready.
sorry.
Oh, it's okay, Sis Ambarwati. Okay, no worries, yeah.
Thank you,
Okay,
sis.
let me give you an example, Francis, yeah.
I'm sorry, is
Oh,
you
oh,
calling me
yeah,
before?
yeah, I was calling you, sis. Are you ready to answer the third question?
Yeah. What the question?
Okay. How did you overcome the problem, sis?
Oh, I fixed the problem. Stay calm down and think how to fix the problem I have. Like apa ya? Search for solution. Search for
Yeah.
solution your problem. I mean.
Yes, perfect. Well done. Thank you, Sis Wulandari. Great answer.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay. Great answer ya. First, Sis Wulandari said to stay calm. Tenang dulu, jadi jangan panik, don't panic, and then try to look for the solution. Seperti itu. Oh, ini ada yang tanya nih. Kenapa di situ pakai had? Apa boleh pakai have? Di sini yang di second question ya. What was the biggest problem you had in life? Dia di sini pakai had karena di sini dia juga pakai was, bro. Dia membicarakan biggest problem yang sudah dilalui di kehidupan kita. Jadi pakai masa lampau, pakai bentuk keduanya yang kemarin, jadi pakainya yang had, oke? Kalau have, dia jadi grammar error. Karena di sini dia pakai was. Otomatis ini pakai bentuk kedua juga ya. Ini karena bentuk kedua juga. Jadi harus selaras grammarnya Francis ya. Oke, maybe Bro Soleh, how did you overcome the problem, bro?
The first, we must accept this problem,
Mhm.
and then take a deep breath, calm, and we find solution. Maybe that's it.
Yeah, perfect. Well done. Thank you, Bro Soleh. Great, great steps ya how you overcome the problem. Okay, nice answer everyone. This is all for our chat topics today. Everyone is doing amazing. Then let's go to the next slide. We will have a little formula on how to make suggestions ya. So there are some ways to make suggestions. You could use, ada beberapa cara untuk membuat saran. Bisa bro and sis pakai rumus yang pertama. Subject should plus verb 1. Oke, ini rules bro and sis ya. Jika bertemu modal verb, otomatis kata setelahnya itu selalu pakai verb one. Walaupun dia tenses past, tenses future, tenses present, selalu pakai verb one ya. Nah ini dia seperti udah aturannya gitu. Jadi pasti pakai verb one. Jadi modal plus verb one ya. Seperti itu. Oke, jadi kalau yang di sini dia subjek, dikasih should, dikasih verb one. Contoh di sini subjeknya you should study listening more if you want to improve your English. Di sini verbnya di kata study, listening di sini dia sebagai noun-nya, objeknya ya. So you should study listening more if you want to improve your English. Kamu sebaiknya belajar listening lebih baik lagi jika ingin meningkatkan kemampuan bahasa Inggris. Seperti itu. And yang bawahnya, you should get your mom a scarf for her birthday. Tetap pakai verb 1 ya. Kamu sebaiknya membelikan mamamu shawl untuk hari ulang tahunnya. Nah, ini untuk yang should ya. Yang kedua juga sama, could termasuk modal. Jadi sama masihan rumusnya, teman pakai could saja. You could do yoga if you want to be healthier. Kamu bisa melakukan yoga jika ingin menjadi lebih sehat. Nah, ini saran ya, seperti itu. They could come to our house for Christmas dinner. Mereka bisa datang ke rumah kita untuk makan malam Natal. Nah, seperti itu. Next, kita ada suggest atau recommend that. Suggest and recommend dia bukan modal verb ya, Bro and Sis. Jadi dia pakainya that setelahnya, baru dimasukkan sentence-nya apa. I suggest that he think more about it. Oke, ini dia tetap nggak pakai S ya, everyone. Tetap pakai yang pertama berarti. Karena ada that-nya ya. So I suggest that he think more about it before he makes a decision. Aku menyarankan untuk agar dia memikirkan lebih mengenai apa yang akan diambil sebelum membuat sebuah keputusan. Seperti itu. Contoh yang bawah lagi, I recommend that she focus on improving her speaking. Saya merekomendasikan agar dia fokus untuk meningkatkan kemampuan speakingnya. Seperti itu ya. Recommend that, lalu sentence-nya. Yang terakhir, why don't or doesn't plus subject plus verb. Nah ini juga tetap verb 1 ya, karena S-nya sudah ada di sini. Doesn't-nya, seperti yang kemarin kita pelajari ya. Contohnya, why doesn't she break up with her boyfriend? Ini question mark ya, ini interrogatif bro, and sis ketinggalan nih kata tanyanya. Why doesn't she break up with her boyfriend? Kenapa dia tidak putus dengan pacarnya? And why doesn't he try to save more money? Dan kenapa dia tidak berusaha untuk menabung? He always uses his money very recklessly. Dia selalu menggunakan uangnya secara tidak bijaksana, seperti itu, secara ceroboh gitu ya. Oke, ini untuk rumus memberikan saran bro and sis 4 ini. Sebenarnya boleh terserah ya memberikan saran itu bagaimana. Namun ini untuk beginner saja ya. Oke, Francis, if you have any question, you can chat ya. You can, what is it? You can write your question on the chat section. Okay, maybe Sis Wulandari? Sis Wulandari, do you have any question for this?
No, I don't have any
Okay,
questions.
so everything is
I
clear.
just, yeah, I just see what your sentence.
Okay. So you want to give me your sentence. Okay, after this is ya.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Oke, berani ya. Karena biasanya setelah ini Sis Anissa minta bikinkan kalimat kan. Nah, nanti kalimatnya Sis Anissa kasih situasi dulu ya. Jadi Sis Anissa akan berikan situasinya itu bagaimana. Berikan saran sesuai situasinya. Seperti itu ya. Oke, boleh bro and sis screenshot dulu mungkin agar bisa bikin sarannya ya. Atau kalau yang save atau download modal kita, boleh lihat di situ juga ya. Dan oke, then let's go to the next slide everyone. Nah, ini adalah situasinya. Yang pertama, my girlfriend or boyfriend wanted to break me up, but I still love him atau love her ya. What should I do to make her or him stay longer? Nah ini, berikan saran bro and sis. Pacarku ingin putus tapi aku masih suka nih, masih cinta nih. Apa yang harus aku lakukan untuk mempertahankan dia? Diperhatikan, dia pakai should di sini ya. Jadi lebih baik kita pakai rumus yang should tadi bagaimana. Seperti itu. I'm, dan me itu bagaimana ya? Oke, later ya sis Marin, nanti aja. After this, oke? Kita fokus yang ini dulu. Diputus, aduh, jangan berrefleks. Oke, I will give you 1 minute ya, Bro and sis. Coba pikirkan sarannya, and then please tell me your suggestion. Oke, time's up. If you want to give me the suggestion, you can raise your hand ya. Sis Reina, what is your suggestion for me, sis?
All right. I think you should ask him first why he decided to break you up, and after that, if you got his answer, and his answer was make sense, or there is such thing that maybe he did, or yeah, I think it's all based on his reason first.
Okay, great suggestion, sis Reina. Thank you for your suggestion, sis. Grammarly, everything is correct, yeah? Grammar-wise, sorry. All right, thank you, sis Reina.
Yes.
Okay, what about anyone else, Francis? Do you not want to give me suggestion? Okay, sis Nelly, what is your suggestion for me, sis? Sis Nelly.
Okay, Miss. I'm sorry. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sis.
I think you should reconsider continuing the relationship since your partner already wants to end it.
Okay, perfect. Great suggestion, sis. Only one correction, sis, ya?
For me. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
one more.
okay.
Okay. One more correction, sis. Bacanya yang ini reconsider.
reconsider.
Good job. Thank you,
Consider.
Sister.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, you're welcome, Miss. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. My pleasure. Next is Arini. What is your suggestion for Mrs.?
I suggest you give her some space and reflect on the relationship together.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Sis Arini. Well done.
Well,
Oke. Boleh berarti saya pakai suggest, jadi nggak harus should, tapi better pakai should ya. Tapi bebas lah, fleksibel, oke? Alright. One more, Sis Tri. What is your suggestion for Mrs.?
I think I suggest that you must break up him, and I believe that you can give more is a good boyfriend.
Okay, well done. So just break up, sis, straight away.
Thank you,
Okay.
Miss.
You're welcome. Thank you, Sis Tri. Well done. Great suggestion, everyone. Thank you. This is just the first situation, okay? Let's go to the second situation. So my best friend has a terrible voice, but he wants to join a singing competition. What should I do? Salah, what should I say to make him not join the contest? Jadi temanku punya suaranya yang jelek, tapi dia mau ikut lomba nyanyi, mau ikut Indonesian Idol gitu ya. Apa yang harus aku katakan supaya dia itu nggak jadi ikut kontes tersebut? What do you think, Sis Wulandari? What should I say? Should I say, no, your voice is so bad? What do you think, Sis? Okay, maybe Sis Ray. Yes.
I'm sorry, Miss. I
Huh?
have text with my friend, so I don't.
Oh,
Okay. I will answer.
Hmm?
My best friend has a terrible voice, but he wants to join a singing competition. Oh, I think you to be honest with your friend. You have bad voice, so you shouldn't go. You should don't go in the contest because I don't wanna make some apa ya pendengaran tuh wes Miss lupa aku.
Hearing.
Hearing about the judges apa ya? Kok lupa aku jadinya.
It's okay, sis. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so it's okay. So he doesn't embarrass himself.
I want to be honest with my friends. I want to be honest with my friend. You have a bad voice, so
Okay,
I
it's
don't
okay,
want to make
sis.
him
Realize?
realize. Yeah, I want give him to realize he don't have a
Okay.
good voice.
Yes. Well done, Sis Wulandari.
I'm
Only
sorry.
one correction, sis. It's okay.
Yeah.
For this one, kita hilangkan
Mm-mm.
hanya, sis ya. Jadi bacanya hanya honest. Seperti itu, sis.
Oh, honest, to be honest. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Sis Wulandari. Well done. Alright. What about Sis Reina? What is your suggestion, sis? What should I do? What should I say to him?
All right. I think my answer same with Sis Wulan, and you should be honest with your friends that his voice is not good, and I think you must advise him like instead of people will be judge you in the future, maybe you don't join that competition.
Okay, so maybe practice first, sis, ya, before joining the
Yes.
competition. So as to not embarrassing himself. Jadi nggak malu-maluin diri sendiri gitu. Alright. Thank you, Sis Reina. Well done. One correction
Alright.
again ya. Honest, bacanya honest. Hanya kita hilangkan. Seperti itu, oke? Thank you, Sis Reina. One more, Sis Siti Kurnianingsi. What should I say, sis?
I recommend you to take singing lesson before join the contest.
Oh, perfect. Great, Sis Siti. So I should say that to him. Okay. Thank you, Sis Siti. Well done. All
Thank you,
right.
Miss.
This is for the second situation, everyone. Let's go to the third situation. Nah, I always wake up late, but I always wake up late, but I always come late to work. What should I do to wake up earlier, Francis? Aku selalu bangun siang dan aku selalu terlambat kerja. What should I do? Apa yang harus aku lakukan biar bisa bangun pagi, everyone? Okay, please give me your suggestion. Okay, maybe I will open the the situation for number 4 and 5 ya. Oke, tapi kita ke yang number 3 dulu. Oke, Sis Reina, what do you recommend me to do?
I think you should sleep earlier and don't open your phone until midnight, or maybe just open your phone to listen uh to listen good music, or maybe something watch like yang ringan-ringan gitu, sis.
Something like sis.
Yeah, something
like
to make you enjoy and make you sleep earlier, and then if you wake up in the morning, you don't be late.
Okay, very good. Great answer, Sis Reina.
Alright.
Okay, well
Thank you,
done.
sis.
All right. Next, what about Bro Herman? What is your suggestion for me, Bro Herman? Bro Herman, hello.
Okay, I want to try. Maybe you solve.
Yes,
Hello.
hello, masuk. Yes. Yes, I can hear you.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. I want to give a suggestion for the situation like this. Maybe you solve to set up alarm.
Yes, great, Bro Herman. Thank you for your suggestion, bro. All right. Thank you, Bro Herman. Nice. Maybe one more. What about Bro Rama? What should I do, bro?
Hello, sis.
Hello, bro.
Maybe you should not take a nap so that you can sleep at night.
Oh, perfect. Great suggestion, Bro Rama. Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Next, we move to the fourth situation, bro and sis. Kita ke situasi keempat yang di sini nih. It's my first time coming to my girlfriend or boyfriend's house, and her or his mother cooked dinner for us. However, the food are not delicious. How should I not eat the food without hurting his or her feelings? Waduh, situasinya unik ya. Oke, artinya adalah ini kali pertamaku datang ke rumah pacarku dan mamanya memasakkan makan malam untuk kita, tapi makanannya nggak enak nih, Bransis. Bagaimana caraku agar aku nggak makan makanan itu tanpa melukai perasaan mamanya pacarku, Bransis? What should I say? What should I do? Ini agak unik ya. Alright. What about... Oh wait, who wants to give a suggestion, everyone? Oh, sis Salsabila Royko, yes. What should I say, sis?
Good evening, sis. Maybe I could take some home and try it later.
Oh, yes, well done. Thank you, sis Salsabila. Great suggestion, sis. Okay. What
Okay, thank you,
about...
miss.
Yeah, you're welcome. What about sis Reina? What is your suggestion for this, sis? Horor kata Bro Herman.
I think you should say that I have eaten before
Oh, yeah. So
to
it's...
his mom, so you can miss that food.
Okay, so it saves this, yeah?
Yes.
All right, thank you, sis Reina. Well done. Alright, you can say I'm full. Oh yes, perfect Bro Ahmas. And kayaknya sis Ambarwati mau bilang puasa. Oh, boleh ya, puasa Senin Kamis tuh. Alright, let's go to the last situation. Oh, alergi makanan, food allergy juga boleh nih. Last question, last situation everyone. I have a habit of buying everything on e-commerce impulsively. So I do not have any savings. And what should I do to stop buying unimportant stuff online? So, aku punya kebiasaan membeli semuanya yang ada di e-commerce, kayak Shopee, Tokopedia, secara impulsif, tiba-tiba gitu. Jadinya aku nggak punya tabungan. So, what should I do? Apa yang harus aku lakukan untuk berhenti belanja barang-barang yang tidak diperlukan secara online di e-commerce tuh, everyone? Okay, who wants to give me a suggestion, everyone? Maybe Sis Aisyah, Sis Ocha? What is your suggestion for me, sis? Sis Ocha. What about everyone else? Okay, maybe Sis Ocha isn't ready, yeah? Uninstall e-commerce, sis. Okay, you can say you should uninstall e-commerce, sis. Boleh seperti itu, Sis Ambarwati, ya? Okay, we have Sis Salsabila Roiko again. What is your suggestion for me, sis?
Maybe you should make a budget, sis,
Oh, yeah.
and saving goals with a reward.
Oh, perfect. Nice answer, Sis Salsabila. Thank you, sis.
Thank you, sis.
Okay. Oh, yeah, Sis Wulandari. Oh, I didn't see you, sis. Okay. Sis, what should I do, Sis Wulan?
Uh-oh. Yeah, maybe you should do something else to distract yourself, like doing some sport for forget the bad habits you have.
Perfect. Thank you, Sis Wulandari. So I should try to do something else.
Yeah,
Right. Thank you, sis.
yeah, anytime.
All right. What about Sis Reina? What is your suggestion for me, Sis Reina?
All right. I think you must
Hmm?
make a priority list, and you have to start that instead you burn your money too much for uh for buying unimportant stuff.
Hmm?
You I think like you must think about saving your money for the future, and or maybe for another important things for your life.
Okay. Very good, Sis Reina. That's really nice, sis. Okay. Great suggestion. Thank you, Sis Reina. No correction for me so far, ya.
Thank you, sis.
Okay, and that's all for the situation for today, bro and sis. Ini situasi kita, maybe for today, yang lainnya sepertinya belum raise hand terlalu banyak ya, tapi it's okay, maybe you're still trying, bro and sis, I understand ya. It's okay, sis Aisyah. Oke, nah ini kita skip dulu bro and sis ya, karena sis Anissa mau kasih sedikit modal auxiliary typo ya. Modal itu terdiri dari ini, Bro Ensis. Ada will, would, can, dan could. Ya, will digunakan saat ingin mengucapkan rencana. Ini bukan berikut ya, berupa tindakan atau tindakan gitu. Pokoknya yang akan mengucapkan rencana. Sedangkan would digunakan menceritakan hal yang dilakukan di masa lampau tapi tidak terlaksana. Atau bisa juga untuk pengandaian. Kayak misalnya kalau aku belajar kemarin, pasti nilaiku bagus. Nah, itu kan pengandaian. Seperti itu. Bisa juga untuk melembutkan kalimat offer dan order. Untuk pesan, kayak would you like to apa gitu. Lebih formal, lebih sopan gitu ya. Can untuk mengungkapkan kemampuan atau kesanggupan. Contoh, I can speak English. Seperti itu. And could digunakan untuk menggunakan kemampuan atau kesanggupan baik lampau atau present. Masih sama dengan would ya. Pokoknya lampau. Oh sorry. Kalau could bisa untuk lampau, bisa untuk present. Juga digunakan untuk melembutkan kalimat over dan order everyone. Oke, ini untuk contohnya Francis bisa dibaca, oke? You can read this one on your module, oke? Kita boleh skip yang ini ya, karena ada ini. There's so many example, Francis. You can read it on your own, oke? Tambahan lagi yang sis bilang tadi ya, must itu artinya harus, wajib. Jadi keharusan di sini wajib dan strict, sangat kaku. Jadi nggak boleh dilanggar ya, biasanya digunakan untuk peraturan nih. Jadi kalau dilanggar ada konsekuensinya. Seperti itu. Would sama want apa bedanya sis? Want itu ingin bro. Kalau would itu bisakah ya? Seperti itu. Oke, bisa juga mas itu kalimat asumsi. Contohnya kalau bahasa Indonesianya, dia pakai mobil BMW nih, dia pasti kaya. Nah, contoh gini. He rides a BMW car, he must be rich. Nah, ini masih asumsi doang ya, nggak tahu tuh nyewa atau enggak mobilnya. Nah, seperti ini, masih asumsi bro and sis ya. Contohnya, itu ada di sebelahnya sini bro and sis. You can read this one on your own again, oke? Nah, if you have any question tentang modal yang ini, Francis, you can share it. You can share your question on the chat box again, ya, as always, everyone. Okay, now because I have already tell you everything about our material today, then it's time for us to begin our breakout session, ya. Wait, before we start, let me share the question for today. Sis Anissa kirimkan juga di grup ya. Nah, these are the question for today, everyone. We have 4 questions. You can discuss it with your friend in the breakout room, yeah? Okay, please click OK to the breakout invitation. Oh, it's okay, bro Raffles, no worries. Berarti yang lainnya boleh klik OK ya. Bisa masuk ke breakout room-nya. Okay, welcome back everyone that's already here. Welcome back Sis Shiva, Bro Kenzi, Bro Soleh, Bro Seto, Sis Zahira, Sis Kansa, and everyone else. Okay, maybe yang lainnya masih di room ya. Okay everyone, I wanna give you a little feedback ya. Nah, tadi kan Sis Anissa keliling tuh dari room 1 sampai room 4. Everything is everyone is doing great, everyone is doing well. It's okay, Bro Willy. It's okay, bro. Nah, maybe Bro Ansis, for the next breakout room, maybe if someone has already answered the question, you can respond ya, Bro Ansis. Maybe thank you for the answer, or maybe you want to continue the next. You want to be the next one to answer ya. Jadi sebisa mungkin Bro Ansis ini nyalakan pembicaraannya gitu aja, jadi nggak diam begitu, oke? Alright. I think I want to ask someone about the experience for today's breakout room. Maybe I think Sis Fifi, how's the breakout room for you today, sis?
Hi, Miss. Good evening.
Good evening, sis.
So far, so good.
Oh, so far so good. That's nice.
Yeah, and my friend really cool.
All right. So you feel
I just read the question and then my friend answer and it's about menghidupkan ruangan gimana sih, Miss?
okay. Really lift up the room, sis.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sis Fifi, for sharing.
You're welcome.
Okay. I don't have chance. Oh, it's okay, Bro Herman. May you make the dialogue at the breakout room biar more menyala. Boleh, Bro Seto bikin dialog di breakout roomnya ya. Okay, so today is our last meeting for this week ya, Bro Ensis. And minggu depan itu adalah minggu terakhir kita. Alright, I want to say thank you for coming today, everyone. And I will see you next week. Thank you for coming. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss.